Hey guys, Paul Inventor 3. Alright, finally had a decent weekend here. Each weekend might be good now. Gotta start replacing the tarp here. So step one is I was pulling the tarp out of the box here and checking it all, making sure it's still okay. It was sitting in my shed for 7-8 years. Next thing is, look at all these weeds. I gotta try to get all these weeds out of here. So step one, actually loosening this pipe, because that's what holds this tarp in place, pulls it down. So I gotta get some new carriage bolts. I got some nuts. Had to move everything in then. So everything's crammed into the center of the room here, away from the walls. So alright, that's stage one. So I'm still working over here. I got to loosen up some more of these bolts over here, but they're so badly rusted now. Yeah, you always think it's gonna be easy. Alright, now we're pulling out the Dremel tool. Let me plug that in. And even that was rusted up on me, the tip. I couldn't get the collet out. Okay, so we'll get that guy. And there's one more down at this end I gotta get. Same problem. Alright, we'll get it. We'll be back. Here's the back side of my laboratory. See how I got tape all over it. Wind just blows right in here. So I'm gonna have to get this screwed on real good, real tight, this board. And you pin this inside there. Maybe I'll think of something better to grip it better. I don't know. But that's a little added work. Okay, Sunday now. The inside is pretty much prepped, readied. So I got that long board holding the bottom of the tarp down there. I just had to clear out a bunch of weeds and giant pile of leaves. Now I gotta go around back to this side. I'm clearing this. A lot of branches were here already. And this is one of my ground rods. Yeah. Holy cow. 7, it's at least 8, 9 feet tall. All those weeds. I gotta get all those out now. Alright guys. Whew. More unexpected things here. Trying to saw through all that now. Now I got to go out there and pull all that up. Killing my fence. I didn't realize I had trees back there. I thought they were just weeds that I would pull out. Alright. Hours more time. Woo! Hot day today. Oh man, almost there, guys. It's going on 3-4 weeks. Well, a couple weeks. Well, 1 week it was too cold to work on my lab, to work on putting a new tarp. 1 week it was raining. So here we are on well, next week I was finally able to work on it, moving everything to the center of the room and doing all this and that. Second week putting a new tarp on. Now we're on the third week. And there's our new tarp. Yeah. All the zippers work again. Look, no duct tape. But now, oh, put Humpty Dumpty back together again. That's the hard part. But now, everything's crammed to the center of the room. So I'm going to have to sweep and clean everything, put everything back. I mean, look at this. You know, it wasn't that long ago that I just cleaned my entire laboratory. So that's where I'm at today, and tomorrow is 95 degrees outside, which means inside my lab, well, there you go, there you go, right there. You can see right now, it's going to be hotter tomorrow. You see, inside my lab, look, I'm 104 degrees right now. Tomorrow it's going to be hotter, like I said. Wish me luck, man. Well, anyhow, yeah, so now I got to put everything back, push it back in where it belongs. And as I'm doing that, I'm going to clean everything off again. So, anyhow, guys, that's where we're at. Trying not to make this too long. I must keep going. Oh, my God. It's so hot in here. I'll be okay. I know my limits, I think. Who knows anymore? I'm getting there. I'm about almost halfway of reorganizing. I'm cleaning everything, not reorganizing, but moving everything back out from the center, cleaning all that grass off. Now that we got the new tarp on, we got to push everything back. Everything got coated with so much dirt. See, I don't know what that is. That's up here too. On these plates. Might have been a bird or something in here. Anyhow, I gotta clean things yet. But we're getting there. I add wire from this over here to hold this up so this can't blow over. Whew. Got a piece of old tarp extending the bottom longer. It's doubled up here. Anyhow, guys, we're getting there. So hot. Where is it? There you go. I'm gonna go to about 5 o'clock because it gets exhausting when you're working in this heat. I got the fan going, but believe me, it's fans inside. I don't know why I don't have my tarp open right now. Because I need a long rod. I only got a short one in there right now. I need about 8 foot long. It goes in the flap of the tarp here, and you could pull it down. Like I could add to the wood, my base, maybe some screw-in bolts with an eye bolt or a hook here, so that way I could take that wooden board and hook it on there, so that way when the wind blows and the rain blows in, I make sure that tarp doesn't come in to the lab, because that's a problem I've had in the past. You don't want this tarp to blow in and then the rain gets all inside here and starts rotting all the wood. So anyhow, yeah, guys, I gotta put down bug spray. I gotta do a bug bomb. I got all this stuff yet. But anyhow, I'm getting there. That's the good news. Woohoo! I feel excited about it, and I'm cleaning as I go. It's almost back together, guys. Woo, it's just so hot. I got dust yet, everything. Another weekend. Today's Saturday, so you saw it's already 5 o'clock, so. Ooh. It's hot in here. Next weekend actually is the 4th of July. Oh my God. That's me. keep the sweat out of my eyes. And this is one of those things you soak in the cold water. It's got those little gels, you know, things in there, expand, little jelly balls. They hold the water and keep you cool for hours. They work good. Almost there, guys, almost there. Woo, 101.6, almost 2 o'clock. Woo, 2:30, 105 degrees. You know, in those hot summer days when you go, oh, it's hot outside, you think it's hot until you open up your car door and it's like, woof. Well, I'm inside the car right now. Starting to feel it. Oh, actually, the temperature's dropping now, finally. I think the sun went behind a cloud. It was 115. So I finally finished it, guys. Nice new tarp. I got a wooden bar in there. I gotta get one that's twice as long yet. But now the rain can't get in there. The zippers work. I can zip it all the way down. Let me show you the back real quick here. Oh, something's been messing with it a little bit. See all that black tape? I used a piece of the old tarp to extend this down a little farther, to bring it down so the rain don't get in there either, and animals underneath. So alright, let's go inside. Oops. Okay. Oh, nice and normal again. Everything's clean and organized. Looks good once again. Oh my god, I had to move all this stuff to the center of the room. Yes, yes, looks good, okay. So, I can finally get back on my project. Finally. Woo. Get back to work now. Not even that dark out yet.